Wrinkles? Achy joints? Thinning hair? Think it's just aging? Wrong. Much of it is lifestyle choices actively destroying your body's vital collagen. But here's the explosive truth. You can fight back and rebuild it. Forget useless creams. Today, we're revealing the powerhouse foods that restore youthful skin and joint flexibility from the inside out. And the very first one we'll uncover, often called liquid gold, could be your secret weapon to transforming how you look and feel. Let's dive in. First up, the legendary bone broth, often called liquid gold, and for good reason. A recent study confirmed what many cultures have known for centuries. It's packed with hydrolyzed collagen, chondroitin sulfate, and hyaluronic acid. These are the very compounds that maintain healthy joints and dramatically improve skin hydration and elasticity. Think of it this way. These nutrients are slowly coaxed out from animal bones and connective tissues during a long, slow simmer. It's essentially a healing elixir that can keep your skin supple, joints healthy, hair shiny, and even boost your energy. There are many real-world cases where just swapping coffee for homemade bone broth a few times a month has greatly improved mobility and reduced stiffness. Making it is simple. Simmer quality animal bones, ideally organic, for at least 12 hours, even up to 24. Add vegetables and herbs for flavor, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to help extract those precious minerals. Strain it, store it, and enjoy it warm. Or use it as a fantastic base for soups and stews. You can even marinate meats with it. So make a big batch of bone broth on a Sunday, make it into a ritual, and invite the family over. The house will smell amazing, and you and your loved ones will feel the difference. Now, that's a powerful start. But what if I told you a breakfast staple could be your next collagen ally? Stay tuned. Next, something incredibly accessible and affordable: egg whites. Though note, however, I am not advocating throwing the yolk away. That has immense benefits as well. But since we are talking about collagen here, we are talking specifically about egg whites. What's fascinating here is their rich supply of proline, a key amino acid absolutely essential for your body to synthesize collagen. A 2018 study highlighted that proline is critical for forming that famous triple helix structure of collagen, which gives your skin its strength and elasticity. And egg whites provide this proline in a form your body can absorb efficiently. Some people have noticed smoother, more vibrant skin and softer fine lines within weeks of adding a small amount of egg whites to their daily meals. Opt for organic, pasture-raised eggs if you can, for a richer nutrient profile. They're so easy to add to your morning routine. Think over easy on toast or poached with some tomatoes and basil for a delicious collagen-boosting start to your day. I simply boil 4 eggs and have them directly as a snack. Amazing, right? But we're not stopping here. The next food is a flavor bomb that secretly preserves your existing collagen. Let's talk about garlic. It's not just for warding off vampires or adding incredible flavor. It's a potent collagen preserver. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which is the star here. Sulfur is essential for forming and stabilizing your collagen fibers, essentially helping to prevent their breakdown. Most people don't realize this humble ingredient plays such a crucial role in skin integrity. Many have maintained glowing skin and strong, smooth hands by regularly cooking with fresh garlic, olive oil, and leafy greens. Aim for 2 to 3 cloves a day. For maximum benefit, crush or chop your garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the allicin. Then, add it to stir-fries, soups, or roasted vegetables. I add it to the Mediterranean-style salad I make for myself. And though sometimes it becomes a little too strong, I like it that way. Our next collagen booster is a vibrant superfood from the water. Ever heard of spirulina? This nutrient-dense blue-green algae is a true superfood. Recent research shows that spirulina extract can help fight skin aging on multiple fronts. Boosting collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm and smooth, while also protecting it from breaking down. That means fewer wrinkles and sagging over time. Spirulina is also a powerful antioxidant, fighting off the harmful effects of things like pollution and UV rays that speed up skin aging. On top of that, it helps calm inflammation, which can otherwise lead to redness, puffiness, and thickened skin. It even has more collagen-building components than many other food sources, including fish. People have reported stronger nails, thicker hair, and brighter skin within weeks of adding a small amount of spirulina to their morning citrus smoothies. Start small, maybe a quarter to half a teaspoon daily. Its marine flavor can be easily masked by blending it with citrus fruits like oranges or lemons. Always look for high-quality organic spirulina powder. One more powerhouse food to go, and this one is a tiny seed with a mighty impact. Don't underestimate the humble pumpkin seed. These little guys are packed with zinc, a mineral that is absolutely critical for collagen production and skin repair. A recent study highlighted zinc's powerful role in bone regeneration, showing that it supports the very cells responsible for making collagen. So eating zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds could help your body build stronger, healthier tissues. Listen to what Dr. Alan Mandel has to say about it.
Pumpkin seeds are loaded with essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc, protein, healthy fats, and powerful antioxidants. And when you soak these seeds and drink their infused water, you're giving your body a gentle nutrient boost right from the start of your day.
Lightly roasting raw pumpkin seeds brings out their flavor. Just a quarter cup can provide nearly half of your daily zinc needs. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or just enjoy them as a snack. And a quick extra for those looking for even more: organ meats. While not for everyone daily due to taste or cost, they are a fantastic source of collagen and are packed with other nutrients. They're particularly high in glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate, which help rebuild cartilage and can reduce pain associated with osteoarthritis. If organ meats aren't your thing, remember that bone broth provides many similar benefits in a more accessible form. This is another example of how a whole food approach offers diverse pathways to the same goal. Now, eating these collagen-rich foods is fantastic. But here's where we take it up a notch. It's not just about the collagen precursors, it's about the synergy with other key nutrients. Think of vitamin C, found in oranges, strawberries, bell peppers. It's critical for converting procollagen into stable collagen fibers, essential for skin firmness and wound healing. Then there's copper, in cashews, sunflower seeds, even dark chocolate, vital for forming those strong crosslinks in collagen, giving it strength. And zinc, which we saw in pumpkin seeds, but also in lentils and chickpeas, crucial for overall collagen production and skin repair. The hidden benefit here is that these nutrients work together. A diverse whole food diet fuels the fibroblasts, your body's collagen-making cells, far more effectively than isolated supplements alone. This is how your food truly becomes your medicine for skin, joints, and more. So, what about collagen supplements? They're everywhere. A 2021 meta-analysis did find that hydrolyzed collagen supplements offered modest improvements in skin elasticity and hydration. But, and this is a big but, the results were far better when those supplements were consumed alongside a nutrient-dense diet. As Dr. Mark Hyman emphasizes, you can't out-supplement a poor diet. Real, whole foods provide not just collagen building blocks, but also all those crucial cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, and copper that your body needs to actually process and integrate collagen effectively. Let's bust a couple of myths. Vegan collagen is the same as animal-derived. Collagen is exclusively found in animals. So-called vegan collagen products use plant-based ingredients to stimulate your body's own collagen production, but they aren't collagen themselves. Topical collagen creams replenish collagen. Collagen molecules are simply too large to effectively penetrate your skin barrier and reach the dermis where structural collagen resides. They might moisturize, but for deep structural support, nutrition is far more effective. A food-first approach isn't just about skin, it strengthens joints, bones, and gut health. Benefits creams just can't deliver. So, as you can see, combating collagen decline is less about a magic bullet and more about embracing a delicious, nutrient-rich way of eating. By incorporating foods like bone broth, egg whites, garlic, spirulina, and pumpkin seeds, and ensuring you get those vital cofactor nutrients, you're giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild, repair, and truly thrive from the inside out. Your challenge this week? Try incorporating just one of these collagen-boosting foods into your routine. Maybe it's adding pumpkin seeds to your breakfast or trying a simple bone broth. And why not check out this video next to further enhance your health journey? Until next time, remember, Your food can be your medicine. Stay strong, stay smart, and stay healthy.